dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so I'm going to organize my life. No, I'm gonna organize some cabinets. I randomly started doing it the other day, so I'm gonna show you guys that footage. And I was literally organizing it, and my husband's like, why are you not recording? I'm like, I don't know, because I look ugly and I just want to get this done. And he's like, who cares, just record. And I'm like, fine. So I turned on the camera in the middle of doing one of the drawer or the cabinets. So you'll see that. I'm also organizing one of my closets that was really bad. It's very embarrassing. No, just kidding, I don't care. Yeah, so it's so much better now, but I'm still not done. I still have to finish that. So I'll see if I get to it today, but I did my hair and I put my eyebrows on, so I figured I'd record the intro. Anyways, I'll show you guys that, and I hope that you enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit this section. It's so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out and put everything in little sections, and then see what needs to go here and what needs a new home.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright.
Okay, so I recently got these bins from the dollar store. So I'm thinking maybe I can organize myself better if I put these like that. And then maybe I can put some down here. And see if that will, you know, keep me more organized. Let's see. I don't know yet. I want to see if I can organize the stuff, and then maybe I can add labels, even though the reason I like these is because they're see-through. You can sort of see what you're doing. So let's see if I can put everything in categories and see if this will work. These bins are in my pantry, which work wonders for me. So let's see. I also have this rack that I was using to put my candles underneath and on top of, so maybe I can put this over here in the corner instead of this, like that. I don't know. Let's see. husband has an obsession with plugins. This is not me for the first time. So I'm thinking I can put the plugins in here. And that way he knows how much crap he has. And I won't try to buy more. These can probably be wiped down because that looks pretty gross.
That you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
Okay, I couldn't decide for this one, so I just ended up putting our spare light bulbs and stuff. I know we have other light bulbs in my laundry room, but the laundry room needs its own help, so I don't even know if those are good in there. So I'm just gonna keep, I know these are good, so I'm gonna keep these here so we know what we have. And we have to go test the ones in the laundry room, but another day. Okay, so here is the final product. I feel like it looks better. I feel better about it. Like, I know where everything is. I don't have a bunch of stuff in here. And I honestly, when I have these bins, it always keeps it looking better, because even if there's a mess in the bin, at least the bin itself makes the area look decent. So y'all write my husband a comment and let him know he needs no more plugins. Like, he's done, okay? And those are not including the ones that are on the walls already. So yeah, that is his little corner. Again, he has very little things that he hoards, so I just let him. Pick your battle, people. Anyways, so that is this, and I'm feeling good about it, so let's move on to something else. I'm nervous. Whew. I hope you guys are my real friends, because if you're not, get ready to judge, because this is bad. Okay, y'all ready? Be my friends, guys. Don't judge me. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's what had happened.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. For you. What is best for you.
Memories. I read the book. Oh, I feel like crying. I'm so dumb.
I'm for sure keeping that.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind.
Hey, Mama. Hi, baby. Okay, so Mama, don't get mad at me because
Okay, so this is everything out of the closet. Obviously minus the shoes. They're still there. And then these are my school books that I'm keeping. These are binders that are empty. When school supplies season comes, we're not buying a binder. These are the books that we are actually keeping. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 empty cubes. And then I can always stack things up here. So first step is I feel like I need to get the games that we want to keep, put them in, sort them, and then throw away things and see, you know, what we're doing with stuff. I'm gonna donate a lot of stuff, give it to someone, I don't know, but just gonna go for it.
I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, so this is the final product. I'm very exhausted. It's not perfect, but what in life is, right? So over here are all the things that I'm getting rid of. I'm going to, I don't know, I could donate them. There's shoes there that I've literally never worn, but that's why I got rid of them, because if I haven't worn them in the past couple of years, why would I start now? So yeah, I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. I'll probably donate it to something, or I don't know, give it to my mother-in-law. Maybe she could sell it in a garage sale. We'll see. But I'm happy with the progress. So I don't think I've shown you guys. This is the other side of this. Everything has its place. I was just digging in this today. But basically this is my, this is all the party stuff, my party supplies, like decorations, balloons that we've used throughout the years for birthday parties and stuff. That's all that. This is our craft area, like paint and just little artsy stuff. Over there is school supplies, headphones, anything school related is over there. Those are empty folders, but I don't want to get rid of them because I do want to use them. I want to organize certain stuff, so I'll use that. Okay, and so over here are the books that we got rid of, a bunch of books. These are the ones that I feel they can actually read. Don't worry, that WTF is not what you think. I thought it was too. My husband's friend actually gave him that book, but it's all about like nature stuff. So WTF stands for, let me see what it stands for. I don't know. It stands for something, but it's basically about science. So it's like about animals and all about them. So it's a science book that they can read, and it's like short little things. It'll show you a picture of the animal and then facts about it. So it's a good book. It's just the titles, I guess, to catch your attention. But yeah, so these are all good books that my boys can read. These are all binders. They're all cleared out. This is just random papers, like clear paper. These are blank sheets of paper. And I kept the binders because they're all good binders and I'm not buying any for school. These are my school books. Well, some of them that when I was going to school. I don't want to get rid of them just because, I don't know. I just don't. So that does not go there. My kids were playing with the games. I'll just tuck it in here for now. And then these two are just board games and games that we play as a family. Over there, I have a couple more games. Those are extra gift bags. So if I have a gift, I can take one of those if I actually remember. Then that's a file. These are this is computer paper. And then this is just little desk organizers and stuff that I'm not using at the moment, but eventually I would like to. And then I have a bunch of empty bags here. I just hooked them to the hanger. And like this is a beach bag and I like to take extra clothes. So they're all empty and clean. I just, have them there so they're easy to grab. And then that's a bag of just like toys and gifts and stuff. So if I, have a party or something, I already have prizes, or I could give it to kids whenever, I don't know. It's a bunch of just little stuff. And then I just have my extra pillows, which I'm going to probably store more of them up there. But for now, that's what I have. So yeah, it looks so much better. I'm so happy with how it came out. All right, guys, that is it. I don't know yet because I'm recording this ahead of time, but I hope it looks good. I hope that I got it done this week. No, but I feel so much better with what I've already done. I feel so much better. I can actually go into my closet and get shoes. So I'm sure I organized it in this video, made it look better. Maybe I got rid of some shoes. I don't know. You guys let me know. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post. And I really appreciate you guys, and I love you all, and I'm praying for all of you. Love you guys. Bye.